Hi, everyone. Brad Keoun here, founder and CEO of Distro Media. Those of you who have been following us know that we are the inventors of the Agentic Press. Essentially, you use your AI to publish directly to a publishing system. And from there, people can use their AI to read your articles directly from the publishing system. That's the Agentic Press. A key part of this is what's known as the MCP server. People talk about this as the USBC cord of AI. Essentially, it connects your AI to tools. In this case, your AI is essentially you're publishing from there using your tool, using the USB-C cord to the tool, and that's Distro. And that allows anybody else to use their AIs to read directly from Distro. The milestone we've reached today is that we had our MCP server officially listed in an important registry called the Pulse MCP Registry. This is the way that people will find projects like Distro in the future, in the AI era. It's kind of like the App Store. Let me show you. This is the website for Pulse MCP. Now, this is not really meant for consumers. This is more for developers who are looking for MCP servers to plug their apps into, building with these tools. And so it's not the prettiest, but the people who run this Pulse MCP, they are incredibly smart. They've been following this space since the beginning. And I really like their data classification here. They allow you to filter for MCP servers that are remote. That means it's super easy to install. All you have to do is grab a URL and plug that in. And official, that means it's coming from the developer of the app. Some people will make MCP for other people's apps, which you can do because it's open source software. In this case, it's ours. So that makes it official. And you need some kind of filtering because there's about 13,000 total on this. So that cuts it down. And then I added the keyword publish. That cuts it down to 12 servers. These are mostly website builders. We're the only ones here, the Agentic Press, that make it super easy for news publishers specifically to publish news on Distro. And I've been using it for the past month or so, and it is so much fun. It's so easy. If you are a professional journalist and you've ever used a content management system, you know how annoying it is to be in the back end of some thing, fiddling with tags and metadata and all that stuff. With this, you just let AI handle everything. It is so nice. You let AI do the grunt work. Your journalism can be completely human made, but you just let the AI do the grunt work for you. We've been working on this goal for about 5 or 6 months now, and we finally made it. So I'm pretty psyched. Distro is currently in a closed alpha phase, meaning we're only open to whitelisted users who will help us test it out before opening it up to the broader public. If you are interested in getting onto this group, please go to our website, distro.media. You can sign up there. And there's also a link to our Distroverse web app, which is super cool. And that is at app.distro.media.